it only for something. So wow, me can't get some moment for myself.
You just want comfort and peace of mind.
What that?
Can match me, I show them say one person can match my energy and I can't.
Them set me up a lot. And them set me up. You set me up, you set me good.
Yeah, yeah.
So I like the good way you set me. So you
Box cover.
Alright, so welcome back to the social media countdown, and today I'm joined with social media sensations, Candy Wow and Randy. Candy, how are you doing?
good.
You're good? Oh shoot, just hold on. How are you doing today?
Good.
I want to come talk to you now. Is there anything right now as it relates to people on social media that you kind of want to just vent about right now?
Yeah, the world.
Mm-hmm. It's a lot sometimes, right?
Yeah, it's interesting.
And one of the things that we kind of realize is that, you know, you have a lot of love, but then you also have a lot of, what you call it, hate. Are you the type of person where, when it kind of get to you, where you approach, you either like confront the people them, or you just kind of low it and just try your own part and sort it out on your own?
I just want to kill myself, I tell you the truth.
Oh no, man, Candy.
That alone, I think.
You mind sharing in terms of some of the hardships and the stuff them where you actually deal with?
Yeah, when I got you. And all of this.
Because you've been a tell your story, you know, Candy. You've been telling your story, but sometimes I feel like because people see a smile and people see a dance, them don't really realize say you have a whole journey. You understand? Do you still get like support from a lot of the people them where they start out when they did have the whole Candy Wow thing like that? Some of them still around?
Yeah, some, not all.
Right now in 2024, for Candy to be like where you could have consider like for you to feel like fully happy when you can go to your bed and stuff like that, what would you say that you need right now?
I want my house, my car, I'm used to things that I'm used to.
You can talk to me a bit, Randy, like in terms of like the whole journey, because me see it online, you know, like it's not everybody would have say, boy, let me go and go see if me can go assist and try to give Candy a strength. But you took it up, but me realized that you also being impacted by whole heap of things were going online. Hold this. Can hold it closer.
The fuck when I say,
Yeah.
yo, I don't want people to them something I need them strength. It's a reason why you make me even say that. Because you see, at the end of the day, if supposed to come to trouble, Candy say like, say for instance, so Candy never there about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
You see me, like something like that, you'd hear a whole heap of things. You see me? So then again, we just try for free. You see me, and say, yo, better me just use with me have.
Yeah.
Or if I have nothing, just so she have to just wall out and thing.
Yeah.
You see me? So,
Because 200 typically, like y'all are jovial people. But is it just the energy and the negativity where sometimes go on online?
alright, may I show you something?
Keep all the mic closer,
This morning, somebody said something to me.
Yeah.
You see me say, my energy and match. May I show them say, one person can match my energy and I can't.
And I Candy, yeah.
Which I'm a bad bro, man. You see me always there, and she say, yeah, she there, and not easy with me. All heap of people help her and things.
Yeah.
I'm say that, and I say, alright, but the fact of the matter is, Shadi, Candy, as I'm telling you, Candy just want her teeth back. You see me? You see from she get that chance, she go alright, man.
Candy, were you getting some assistance at some point? Because I saw a video. I did see a video and like I saw something, but what I want with it right now?
Alright, I two things.
Hold it closer, yeah.
Two things happen. I don't know about if some people did, she usually link with some people.
Yeah.
You see me? Most of you name Anthony Chrome or so.
Yeah, phone.
No, before like you having phone or nothing. But me I say, the brother they reach out to me and I tell me say, yo, some people in New York pay for Candy do our thing.
Yeah.
I say a pretty.
Yeah. I saw the video, yeah.
The brother they me get to find out say him is a barber too.
Wait, what?
Him and the dog is a barber.
So the person if you fix our teeth,
With the thing over
Yeah,
here.
him actual day job is as a barber.
No, I that me ear say me usually do barbering.
So never really get the training fully.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wow. Yeah. So that's why that did have to stall.
Mm-hmm. So
okay.
that my find out man charging man. So all of that did have to come.
So Randy, now quickly, I just want to talk to you because you are on TikTok. You're a TikToker now, putting yourself out there. Is this like a space where you fully want to step into? Now that you really see the fullness of what social media can bring you, still I think it's something that I want to pursue?
And I says, if I don't want to pursue it still.
Yeah.
And then the fact of the matter is, over the period of time, by the look of time with David, their own candy are we are do something right now. Like we get a whole heap of bash.
Yeah, all my closer here.
So I say at this point in time, well, if I say, I do still continue this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do see.
Yeah, because people fully loving the energy and the personality, you know.
I know where people come with.
Yeah, because people fully, you know, so candy as much as me know how things probably like hard at the moment. People love you. Just from, and you think, say, one at the end of the day when we keep on saying, you know, you think it's easy for somebody just go up and say a one slang candy. Well, like capture the whole entire world. The sad thing about it is that me know say all you candy, had you been in another country outside of Jamaica and do what you do and have the way you call it, like the viral nature, your situation would a lot better off. I'm sure you know it too. You get me? Right? So we just want Candy to come talk about like this whole entire thing now with Wagwan and the media now with people like I bring up stuff from your past now. You have anything where you really want to just come and tell them now? Because I think it's important now because Candy not really a trouble nobody like that. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, Candy not you don't. No, make sure go on, man. You not trouble nobody.
I don't make people trouble. I don't trouble people surrounded it.
Yeah.
Surrounded me, I don't trouble people. Them trouble me. I tell me, no one of them trouble me. I'm serious.
Okay, just focus, yeah.
Yeah. People ever get me off from my focus.
Yeah.
I'm not trouble people. I'm not trouble them. I just want a local room for myself. Instead of me stay at the place.
So that is two things that kind of put in our situation now. Oh, like 2 weeks ago, there's a thing that was circulated that you actually disappeared?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was happening?
I'm just tired of certain things. It's not that tired for sleep in a bar back.
Yeah.
Rotten and stuff. Because last night I sleep one jump on me. And I just want my space. I don't need no man.
And peace of mind, yeah.
Yeah, I just want my peace of mind. I want to go somewhere where nobody know. But everywhere I go, people know me.
Yeah.
I go up on the mall, and the last thing that I do, mall.
Yeah.
I take it to the mall. And the two voices me here. I kill myself and one said no.
You can't give up, so yeah.
No.
There's more, yeah.
People like a ball and them go mad and dead.
No,
So
man.
no one don't know what I go through. When them see me sit down.
So if people actually at this moment did want to go and help, you know, what where would they have to reach out to? How could they assist? If there are people who love Kenya and say, boy, me don't want to go and send a little basket here, send something, send her go on Airbnb, make sure pull her head.
Nobody.
You don't want it from nobody?
Nobody at all.
Just friends and family?
Nobody me no want nothing from. So if I do hungry, me keep hungry. That's me. I'm not going to tell you I'm hungry.
What you end up learn from people through all of this kind of
Everything.
what the biggest lesson where you end up learn about how people really stay?
Well, them fucked up, them mind dirty and them heart. Because when them do give nothing, them talk about it, me give a little food or something.
Yeah.
Our teeth not stable, she this, she that.
Yeah.
So I just keep myself to myself.
What makes you happy? There are certain moments I would say you actually enjoy yourself and would see you dance. Like, what go through your mind at that time when you just like, we see the candle where we smile and make other people happy?
Well, I smoke my weed, and I drink my lick my rum. So it keep me happy, keep me happy. Because them hurt me in my head.
Honestly, Candy, boy. So at this point in a Candy, I just want you to just, yeah.
Yeah, they're 2 years right now. They're 2 years.
This is not the Candy where you know yourself to be. Honestly. Maybe just kind of leave Candy with like cause this interview just like completely took like a different turn, but you see when you're reason you actually have to just realize so when people have a real moment, you have to go zone in on that. Every other thing you have to just kind of just low and realize when somebody is having a real moment and Candy you have a real moment right now, which I actually appreciate. So you matter to be vulnerable.
I smoke and I drink and that make me happy. So I
That's
can't smoke and drink, it don't make sense. I
because
put the world on my head. The world is a go now.
Because that is one of the things I'm there tell people, you know. And I was saying, so many times you see people are drink them weed and you, smoke them weed and you see them a drink liquor and you see them a go to a bar or whatever. You know, understand, say, I have to just get a break and for put them mind at ease. So you will stay there and not judge them, right? And you don't know, say, maybe it keep them for live because if them never did drink or something, they probably don't jump off a building.
That me I tell them, because I go up on the last. Before I come here yesterday, I go up on the mall with a cup. They up on the mall with $300.
Yeah.
Yesterday early man. Before day. 4:45, I there mall, I tell you. I see a man who 5 o'clock down there sell.
Yes.
I say, sir, sell me a rum special. He said $2.60. I said, all right, like what $40 change it.
Yeah.
Just give me a sunny. Because the breeze heavy down there. So I go in and look apart, go smoke and sit down. Things I go through my mind, it just rest for my life. So when it for rest for me, let me say everything now. Everything what bad happen, everything just come.
Just come, yeah.
Just come. So I've been walking, go across the mall, over on the next side. One man turned to me and said, Candy, where you am to you? 5 o'clock him said to me, Candy, what happened? Or you want to kill yourself? The circumstances go on. I mean, I have nobody. My family them forsake me. I don't have nobody right now. Right now, I go in my room for myself. I want me things that me used to things. People have to say my born cope with this. My mother started first. Then other people do it. Still never hang. Then say me have AIDS, me still never hang. But me now make sure them out. The things that I go through in life, I just want to forget everything.
Yeah.
I want to forget everything. Because I got nothing. People are going to lose the war. I'm telling you the truth. Right now, I wake up. Randy wake me up this morning. I wake back to the world. Nothing, no water got my mouth for show you. Oh, I'm fed up of this. I don't want nothing from nobody to eat. No.
And I guess this would have been
I don't want nobody and me no. I just like to be alone.
Yeah. And I guess this would have caused a lot of the stress.
I want to tell you what I do. You tell me about stuff. Go on, man.
No, man, it's
You're
cool,
coming
man.
on my interview.
It's cool, man, Candy. It's cool.
You're on the interview and I'm coming out.
It's cool, man.
Disrespect this. Go on where you go, man.
It's cool, man, Candy.
Go on where you go again.
It's cool, man, Candy. It's cool.
Because you come talk about and you know every cokehead.
But one of the things
But
one of the things them Candy may say is like when you're pre stuff like that and you know your personal situation. It's confusing sometimes when you go up on the road and people just put you up and say, oh, Candy wow.
Yeah.
When you know, say, when you got your bed at night time, you still have pain and you have the pain still. But when you go out, everybody just want you to be Candy, smile, dance.
Do this, do that. I'm going to do it for them. So why? Why this nobody just come? Right now, I'm going to fuck off with everything, sir.
I get it, you know.
Fuck off with everything.
I get it. Me know you say might not want assistance and help, but I'm sure that there are people who genuinely, if them they just know how to can say, if I even say, say 10 grand here, see if that can assist you to get little knickknacks or say here, so no. Yeah.
Me used to do what you don't do. But from the my left ears, can't hear all tight. I said, oh God, left ears me there with you. Still war, me still bear all pain. I still go through. I say you'll be the last man for me taking on my life. Cause you teach me. You can't read. You don't know your age, but yet still you teach me.
Yeah.
Lots of lessons. So what the hell me I do with man?
Yeah.
It makes me like to be alone.
Yeah.
I want to be alone. So when people see me sit down by myself, them don't know what
say those some meds, yeah.
So yeah, my mind.
No, I kind of just want to wrap up this interview on a more, on a what me call like a good note. And me I go say Candy, me want to just personally thank you for the amount of, and so it's so crazy. You see the people who go through the most, and them give the most joy to other people.
Jaja.
That's one of the craziest things, the people who go through the most. So you see much things happen to certain artists and stuff, and them give so much joy to other people.
And them give them it, and me just watch.
Cause the other day I saw was it some political rally or something, and you just show up there and you do one dance. And 2 2s after that, everybody start to mimic it, the thing where you do so, yeah.
Rock my baby.
Yeah, I mean like, this is just Candy. You're not even a thing say, yeah, try for go viral. You just have be yourself.
Be me.
And natural.
Natural.
And people never realize say a talent that way, and anybody could have just do that and have that thing, you know. So you have a it factor. But the fact of the matter is your life never can really materialize a certain way until as you make sure you have the bed, you have a certain level of comfort for you really can, you know, you have to have peace of mind for you can really step up the right way.
I'll tell you the truth. I want a peace of mind.
Yeah, what's the support that you have currently?
Well, I'm a supporter. Randy support me.
What about when you go to the streets and you have some supporters that may see and be like, okay,
yeah,
never give you a strength?
Want one list, buy a drink. So I give thanks to the good supporters them out there. And Sandy, Sandy and our man Chivia, them come yesterday and them take a drive out. Them not come back yet to talk to me. So, the implement support.
Oh yeah. You have some people, man, yeah.
Yeah, me have them.
Okay, that is good.
Me have them, but having the supporters them, me don't want nothing from the supporters.
Oh,
more
yeah.
than I love the supporters.
Yeah.
And I give God thanks for them.
For the yes.
So continue bless them so them can bless me.
That is it.
More.
That's it.
Me say. When I pray for me alone. I pray for everybody. So why people are carrying me down?
Yeah.
Why? Right in front of me, I bring me down. They say me the skin out give them, and then me that do the things them. Yeah. Them not gonna bring me down. So true, me not do certain things, yeah, I gonna bring me down. It don't make sense. Cause me no fool to know what's going on. Every time it change, there is something. Come knock
to
something.
carry back a square one,
to carry me back a square one. Every time there is a block. I want to know the block. I'm see the block. So I mean, no for just take on myself from that block. So I try to take on myself from the block.
Because all the time the enemy see the potential, you know. See the potential and just decide, say, you know what, I can't make you reach you, so. I saw them look at something you set up in a life.
May I tell you?
Yeah. So one of the other good things about Candy, you're supposed to have your own karaoke show because you know every single song with the land. Like when you develop like such a love for music. Because like me see I say no man, but Candy know Wooly pa R&B, she know Wooly pa song is a way where when you say you're meds, is one of them things where you go to like music and just calm your mind and stuff too.
No, I'm going to look a party. I'm going to go to the forest right at the sun back. Feel liquid everything from my brain.
Yeah.
Liquid everything from my brain. So from me a little girl,
yes.
Me a dance, me a enjoy myself.
Yeah.
Me boss myself.
Yes.
Nobody boss me.
Just you
so
being
why
real,
when time me be real to people, why people can't be real to me?
Facts.
Eh?
You have a favorite love song?
Yeah.
When you think about it, it make you feel nice. What is that love song?
I feel kill myself because it kill me.
Which love song? Oh, It Kills Me.
Yes.
Lord God. Yeah, man. I go again. Yeah, man. Yeah, and it kills me to say how much I really love you. Yeah, man. A big tune that.
So much I want to.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So it hurt me more time.
So you know, just sing the song, just sing the song for excitement. It'll come from one personal.
It'll come from way down to my toe about time.
Wow. Yeah, you think I catch a song, the man. No, man, a big song, man. No, me, I tell me, man, a kill. What the girl named
Melody.
Yeah, man, a big tune, man. Yeah, man, the song, the big man. Yeah. Trust me, man. So, all right, so. Yeah, man.
Trouble in my life.
Yeah.
Problems when you don't come home
at night. Yeah.
The way you do it, you always start to fight.
Yeah.
But I can't be alone. I needed to come back home.
Yeah.
I know you're messing around.
But who the hell is gonna hold you down? Yeah, man. Melanie Fiona.
Yeah, this is it. Oh, yeah. Be a trouble. I've got trouble with my friends.
Yes.
Trouble in my life.
Yeah.
Problems when you took us home.
At night, yeah.
The way you do, you're always certified.
Big tune. Scoop, 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 scoop.
But I can't be alone.
See the master, the real blaster.
I need you to come back home.
Ladies! Yeah.
I know you're messing around.
Yeah.
But Udo LA is on me down.
Come in, back up, singers.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Big tune.
something is gonna work this time.
Yeah.
A part of me wants to leave,
Yeah, man.
but the other side still believes.
And it kills me to
So
say
now
how much I really love you. So much I wanna.
So you,
You wanna part the man pull up?
should I grab his hand?
Yeah, no man.
All his cheek up,
No man.
starts up. Man, hang up. I should have been a lady.
Yes.
Oh, maybe because I wanna have these babies. Oh, yeah. Cause I know, wanna be alone. I don't need to be on my own. But I love this man. But some thinkings I just can't stay. Yeah, can't stand certain
yeah.
things.
Yeah,
I'm rather
man.
go.
We'll see it, man. Thank you. All right, so talk to us about the
Well-
background, like how you started out, what were you doing, and who were you before social media fame?
When I was a dancer, sell on the road, stripper. Some of the talk to God and say, God, you know, something can come out of the way. I don't know. So doing business, me and 3 more girls, 2 more on the road.
Yeah.
Me, Mav, and Corinne threw away. On the road, it was 1 o'clock in the night. Olaba that happened. Just to get saved from Olaba.
Oh.
Me don't know nothing. So I pass and stop and say, any business? I never know it was a woman
Yeah.
in the vehicle. Me don't know the woman. So anyway, she pass. She go back when she reach no Harbor Tree.
Yeah.
She spin back, come back, and said, you little girl,
Yeah.
you know you can blow God trumpet. You can collect God offering. You know it. God have a store for the 3 of us.
Yeah.
She have it up on the corner. So me realize and just drop my clothes, go home. Living with the boy. The boy saying, I bring in the money. But say, on the money time, listen to this. I get a news, and the news what I get, it was so good. Berry.
Yeah.
I tell you. But they no, sit down. Him say, pack up your things. Pack up my things, and when I do pack up, I go and left and go about my business. One guy from foreign is a fish. Send one phone, come give me and say,
Yeah.
wow, so one phone here, you know.
Yes.
If anything, you can contact
Yeah.
and do a local video. Left from Olaba, go West Kingston. Can I get a wow? The girls, I'm done there.
Yeah.
Name wow. But me put on, can I get a wow?
Whoa, yeah.
Can I get a wow? Play my cartel there. So comes me sit down and
That's how they come home.
yeah.
Yeah, man,
That
come
are the
home.
first
Yeah, man,
song.
when you do the thing, man.
You
Yeah,
make him
man.
have to come home.
Yes.
Gala, you are, so
Yeah.
because that step up on that a little.
Yeah.
Till me there, me yard. My phone never stop ring. Instagram a call me. WhatsApp a call me.
All kind of
Just
interviews,
all
yeah.
kind of things. Well, Kiddo did have me. Nightlife. Kiddo do me a bag of things. Wrap me up, set me up. Me learn everything. From the whole of the artists, and I tell you the whole of them. Them set me up a lot. And they set me up. You set me up, you set me good.
Yeah.
So I like the good way you set me. So right now, I just my team more about my happiness.
And get the confidence there and your
Just give
peace
it-
of mind, yeah.
And just give me my peace of mind. Cause I don't have, but that's why about my teeth. Me used to nice. Me not used to like this.
Yeah.
What's going on with the teeth? Like,
Yeah,
Yeah, well,
Some come out already and the next one. Some tell Randy some teeth, I give me a little shake. It a yeah, like
oh,
it won't come out or stuff.
yeah.
So it on and out. So I want it just start paying me straight. So can call the people and tell them. So I want to get out that teeth to get it healed. So yeah, so heal already just aside there alone. So watch it no people.
Yeah.
When you want to see, you not go see. When you want to see me go down, I'm tell them. When you bring me down, bring down Randy too. Yeah, cause I was there, number one. I him take me from around where I live, cause I sleep on the ground.
Whoa. Yeah.
Ground, my mother put me, she don't like me. Me at 33 now, and nobody don't know how me eat, how me wear clothes. Mr. Berry, I love you.
Yeah, man, I
Right now, I'm
appreciate it.
stressed though.
Yeah.
I'm stressed.
That's one of the things I may not realize, and I
Stress.
think this is on this note, we can wrap up now.
I'm stressed though.
yeah.
Right now, I just feel like me give up. May I tell you the truth?
Me no want.
Me give up.
Me no want you give up in a Candy. One of the
Me
things.
know why you tell me that.
Oh Lord, man, Candy. One of the you see all the way you talk about your past. You know what that say? We then say like iron balloon. You're indestructible, you know, because you know much thing did set for actually throw you off. And every time when them sink you find a way to pop up back. From a
Every
water,
time.
from a, after the can I get a wow, and you come back then, the come home dance, you sink again, you pop up back. The other day, every time you keep on a pop up back, and it just kind of crazy me. I say the if a fight where I get, you still don't allow it for make you stay here, so because there's so many social media personalities, you know, where them just disappear and them no mind, them can't catch back the eyes of the people. But no matter how defeated the people them put you up on the ground, you still soar up back. And that just tell me say, you have the spirit of people like Nanny of the Maroon. You're a fighter. You're one of them people that when you watch a movie and not care, or then thump the people and stab them, then still a push back, then still a fight to the very end. That's the way you have a me.
I'm come to the end now. I'm come to the end.
Me no want to think so because I don't know, but maybe. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Watch this now, Candy. Can the problem be we self? Because sometimes if we defeat ourselves, you know, the people have defeat.
The problem can't be you, Uno. Uno can't be my problem.
No, we as in you, like in you.
Yeah.
Like we are going to give up now. Careful with tongues.
Right now, I don't know.
If they say you're going to give up, them make sense of give up and we there.
Yeah.
You help straighten the way to, you know.
Let me tell you, I do it for the love.
Yes.
I don't do it for no likes.
Yes.
Let me tell you straight. Come go worldwide with it, I go media with it.
Yes.
Sure, some of you no one.
Yeah.
Man come with gun. Try to kill me. Me defeated. What if I something? So wow, me can't get some moment for myself.
You just want comfort and peace of mind.
What that?
That is
can't
it.
get it.
Thing when I see with Candy,
Yeah.
you see the limit where them limit her from doing certain things with it unbalanced her skill. Notice that she like to be smooth, she like to be relaxed.
Yeah.
If you do that process there, it stop that. So that create it come like you have a child and you tell them no TV tonight and child you see TV.
Yeah. For kind of wean off the person. Okay.
So if at the way can manage, because enough time doctor tell us if we take them pills, we don't take them.
Yeah. Because you probably can't.
Tell us if we do that, you know,
Yeah.
whatever find make she comfortable then.
Yes.
Comfort. So that's basically I say. You don't know if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Go stop the smoking and drinking for the teeth.
The teeth start out and the whole process of it. But in my eyes, I don't think that stop it, which in I want to really say that.
Yeah.
Create a conflict.
Yeah.
But that is what makes you comfortable.
That's what she's talking about.
As far as her comfort.
Yes.
I'm making her happy.
Yeah.
It's she go put in it and she feel comfortable that way.
You don't want to for throw her off something there, yeah. At the end of the day. Yeah. At the end of the day, that's just it. So, Candy, may I actually leave you with the last word. So I want you to go and just look in at the camera. Anything, I'm gonna give you like all 30 seconds. Anything that you just want for just get out to the whole of Jamaica as it relates to how people treat you. Some of the things that they've been saying that you just want them to know once and for all. I'm gonna give you the floor to just say that to the camera right there.
Oh, to not leave me alone.
Hold on, set the camera, turn the camera properly. That's it. Alright, Candy. So the camera there, just talk to your fans, them, the people that may love you. Just talk to them right now.
I love my fans, but the one that I love them, I can't. I can't like you. Because you make me go through all. I just want to be happy. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. I don't want nobody ask me where I go.
Yeah.
I don't want nobody ask me no. Don't ask me no.
Yeah.
If you ask me no, you only throw me out.
All
If you
right.
leave me alone,
Yes.
make sure walk. You know where she want to go, make sure go and come back.
Yes. And that is the note that we're going to end this special, lengthy interview with Candy Wow. We spoke to Randy earlier. And I just want to say thank you so much for giving me a time.
Yes.
And for just talking to me because from day one, I love Candy. I love her energy. I know that I get fair talk to her. I get a greater appreciation of all the way you go through. And so when I see you now, I see somebody who is a warrior and a fighter. And so that is it, man. So bye everyone. Make sure you say you like, you comment, and you subscribe. That is it with my interview with Candy Wow and Randy. Take care. Oh, God.